It's Sunday morning and Drew and I are off on a group ride with Northern Easy Riders. It's a no pressure ride, so we do 80 kilometres all the way. It's for everybody. But we're going to go through town because there's some sort of running race this morning and it's blocked off the highway, so we'll meet up with the group at Harley Davidson and kick off. You might have noticed Tilly sitting on the back of my bike. It was her first ride, and so she hadn't been in the little box before, but she took to it really well, so I think we'll see her on a few more rides. Now at this point I didn't realise that my camera was getting some footage. It wasn't until we made a stop that I pulled it out, looked at it and was like, oh crap, my battery's flat. So I only got the first part of the trip, and unfortunately I didn't capture some of the really good scenery, you know, the mountains. So lesson learned, next time I'll take more batteries. It'll be fine, we'll get better footage next time. This ride was travelling out through Longford, through Bishopsbourne, a quick stop at Bracknell. We went through a few other little back roads and little townships. I don't know the name of them. And then we finished at Cressy, had lunch at the bakery, which is really good. Recommend stopping there if you ever can. Great cakes. Oh, here we go. There's always one, and this time it was me. Thank you for watching.